Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that could change your financial landscape: making $900 or more a day using cash cow YouTube channels. If you've ever dreamed of earning a substantial income while enjoying the freedom of working from anywhere, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll provide a comprehensive overview of how to monetize YouTube channels effectively, focusing specifically on the cash cow model. You'll learn the ins and outs of creating content that generates revenue without requiring you to be on camera or produce original videos. Imagine waking up to notifications of earnings while you sleep. The potential earnings from cash cow channels are impressive, and many creators are already reaping the benefits. We'll also emphasize the importance of passive income through online platforms, showcasing how this model can provide financial stability and freedom. So, if you're ready to explore a lucrative opportunity that allows you to earn money while you focus on what you love, stick around. Let's unlock the secrets to building a successful cash cow YouTube channel together. Cash cow YouTube channels are a unique and innovative way to generate income on the platform without the need for personal branding or on-camera appearances. Essentially, these channels focus on creating content that attracts viewers and generates revenue through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. One of the defining characteristics of cash cow channels is their ability to produce high-quality videos with minimal personal involvement, allowing creators to maintain their privacy while still reaping financial rewards. The types of content that can be created for cash cow channels are diverse and can include animated videos, compilation clips, voiceover narrations, and even slideshow presentations. Popular niches often include topics like finance, technology, health, and entertainment, where engaging information can be presented in a visually appealing manner. These channels generate revenue primarily through YouTube's partner program, which pays creators based on ad views. By focusing on evergreen content that remains relevant over time, cash cow channels can continue to earn money long after the videos are published. This model allows creators to build a sustainable income stream while enjoying the flexibility of working behind the scenes. Selecting the right niche is crucial for the success of your cash cow YouTube channel, as it can significantly impact your potential earnings. To start, identify trending topics and niches that attract large audiences. Research popular categories such as personal finance, health and wellness, technology reviews, and lifestyle hacks. These areas not only have a broad appeal, but also offer numerous subtopics to explore, ensuring you can create a steady stream of content. Audience engagement and retention are vital for long-term success. A niche that resonates with viewers encourages them to subscribe, share, and return for more content. Focus on creating videos that spark curiosity and provide value, as this will help build a loyal audience base. Examples of successful niches that have proven profitable include travel vlogs, DIY and home improvement, and educational content like online courses or tutorials. Channels in these areas often see high viewer engagement and can attract lucrative sponsorships. By carefully selecting a niche that aligns with current trends and audience interests, you can set the foundation for a thriving cash cow YouTube channel that generates substantial income over time. Creating engaging content is essential for the success of your cash cow YouTube channel, and it all starts with high-quality visuals and audio. Viewers are more likely to stay engaged with videos that look and sound professional. Invest in a good microphone and camera, or consider using stock footage and royalty-free music to enhance your videos. Clear visuals and crisp audio can significantly improve viewer retention and overall satisfaction. When it comes to scripting and editing, planning is key. Start by outlining your video's main points and crafting a compelling narrative that keeps viewers hooked from the beginning. Use storytelling techniques to make your content relatable and memorable. During the editing process, focus on pacing and transitions to maintain a smooth flow. Incorporate engaging graphics and text overlays to emphasize important information. To streamline your content creation, leverage tools and software designed for video production. Programs like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or even user-friendly options like Canva and InShot can help you create polished videos efficiently. By implementing these strategies, you can produce high-quality content that captivates your audience and drives your cash cow channel's success. When it comes to monetizing your YouTube channel, there are several effective methods to explore. First and foremost, enabling AdSense is crucial for generating ad revenue. To do this, you need to join the YouTube Partner Program, which requires meeting specific eligibility criteria, such as having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year. Once approved, you can start earning money from ads displayed on your videos, providing a steady income stream. In addition to ad revenue, affiliate marketing offers a fantastic opportunity to boost your earnings. By promoting products or services relevant to your niche, you can earn commissions for every sale made through your referral links. This method not only enhances your content, but also provides value to your audience. Sponsorship opportunities are another lucrative avenue. Brands often seek partnerships with channels that align with their target audience, allowing you to earn money through sponsored content or product placements. Finally, diversifying your income sources is essential for stability. Relying solely on ad revenue can be risky, so consider combining ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships to create a robust financial foundation for your cash cow channel. Effectively promoting your cash cow YouTube channel is essential for gaining visibility and attracting a larger audience. One of the most powerful strategies is leveraging social media platforms. Share your videos on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to reach potential viewers who may not be familiar with your channel. Engaging with your audience through these platforms can also help build a community around your content. Another crucial aspect of promotion is understanding the importance of SEO and keywords in your video descriptions. Conduct keyword research to identify terms that your target audience is searching for, and incorporate these keywords naturally into your titles, descriptions, and tags. This will improve your chances of appearing in search results and suggested videos, driving more traffic to your channel. Additionally, consider collaborating with other YouTubers in your niche. Partnering with creators who have a similar audience can help you tap into their viewer base and expand your reach. Collaborative videos can introduce your content to new viewers and foster a sense of community within the YouTube ecosystem. By implementing these strategies, you can effectively promote your cash cow channel and accelerate its growth. Tracking and analyzing your cash cow YouTube channel's performance is vital for understanding what works and what doesn't. Start by monitoring key metrics such as views, watch time, and engagement rates. Views indicate how many people are watching your videos, while watch time reflects the total minutes viewers spend on your content. High watch time is crucial, as it signals to YouTube that your videos are valuable, potentially boosting their visibility. Engagement metrics, including likes, comments, and shares, provide insight into how well your audience connects with your content. YouTube offers a robust analytics tool that allows you to dive deep into these metrics. You can access detailed reports on audience demographics, traffic sources, and even the performance of individual videos. This data is invaluable for identifying trends and understanding viewer behavior. Encourage regular assessment of these metrics to refine your strategies and improve your content. By analyzing performance consistently, you can make informed decisions about what types of videos to create, when to post, and how to engage your audience more effectively. This ongoing evaluation will help you optimize your channel for growth and success in the competitive YouTube landscape. Growing and scaling your cash cow YouTube channel requires a strategic approach and dedication. One of the most important factors is consistency in content uploads. Establishing a regular posting schedule helps keep your audience engaged and encourages them to return for more. Whether you choose to upload weekly or bi-weekly, maintaining consistency builds trust and anticipation among your viewers. As your channel begins to generate earnings, consider reinvesting a portion of those profits into better equipment and marketing efforts. Upgrading your camera, microphone, or editing software can significantly enhance the quality of your videos, making them more appealing to viewers. Additionally, investing in targeted advertising can help you reach a broader audience and attract new subscribers. There are numerous success stories of channels that have scaled effectively. For instance, channels focused on niche topics like personal finance or DIY projects have seen exponential growth by consistently delivering valuable content and engaging with their audience. By following these strategies, staying consistent, reinvesting wisely, and learning from successful creators, you can position your cash cow channel for long-term growth and success in the competitive YouTube landscape. In this video, we've explored the exciting potential of earning $900 or more a day with Cash Cow YouTube channels. We discussed the importance of choosing a profitable niche, creating engaging content, and implementing effective monetization techniques. By leveraging Gronk, ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships, you can build a diverse income stream that supports your financial goals. We also highlighted the significance of promoting your channel through social media and collaborations, as well as the need to analyze performance metrics to refine your strategies. Remember, consistency in content uploads and reinvesting your earnings into better equipment and marketing can significantly enhance your channel's growth. Now that you have these valuable insights, it's time to take action. Apply the techniques we've covered and start building your Cash Cow channel today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who might benefit from this information. Your engagement helps us create more content that empowers you on your journey to success. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.